catch 'em all.
Okay, so it's been about 2 years since I posted a video, and this is the channel, Ginger John's YouTube channel for online marketing tutorials. So this video is about how much I earned. So I went into my Amazon account, but the problem is I can only go back to last year. So this is from an Amazon account I set up for a business I had doing valeting. So as you can see here, the shipped items revenue was £1,295.40, and the total fees I earned were £85, and that was for the dates of the 1st of January 2018 until December of 2018. Now since then I've sold on this business and I've closed that site down, and if we look at this year, there won't be as much earnings because I don't have any sites up and running. As you can see, nothing. Okay. Now, it doesn't take a lot of effort to make these Amazon sites, and once they're up and running, you just leave it. And as you can see from the last year, let's get that up. Now, you set up the store, you fill the store, and then you leave it. And what happens is Google will, obviously you have to set up some tracking things and etc. But if you go through the playlist, you'll know how to set it up. We're just talking about the earnings here. You just leave it, and Google will eventually rank your pages more and more and more. And the more times that people search them, and the more times that your page ranks highly for what's in it. Now, the good thing about this, the Amazon affiliate program, is once you reach a certain amount, now you can see, like, I can't show you this graph of the whole time, but I can show you my payment history. Now this is a payment history all the way back to 2016. Okay, now you can see that I think how they work it is every 90 days after you've earned. So say I earned this money in August, they don't pay you till November. But once you've been paid once, you should always have a month running, unless 1 month's low, in which case you don't get paid until I think you reach £25, I'm sure. So these months here, you'll see I made £11, £14, £24, £28, and then, no, sorry, that's the cumulative. So that's adding up. So this is what you made: £8, £3, blah blah blah, all the way up to £28. Then it paid it out. Okay, then you're back to zero. Then it works it again. So the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th of 2016, I made £27, and that was paid direct deposit on the 1st. So you can see 28, 37, 59, 55, 30, 30, 26. Now these are all seasonal. Now I had more sites. I had InRetroTech is one that I set up in the playlist, but that site is now gone because I wasn't getting much traffic to that. It wasn't a great site. There was another site I had which was called City Farmer. Now that was one of my best sites, and for about a year, this is probably up to, I'd say, the end of 2017, all these earnings were from this site. So I think InRetroTech maybe added a couple of pound in here and a couple of pound in here, but overall I made, say, 50, 56, 50, 80, 110, roughly about £210 to £220 from that one site. Now that site cost me in total, I think it's about £20 for the program. For the year, about £30 for the server. So £50, so about £100 profit for literally a day or two's work. A day or two to set it up, and then obviously if there's any updates to the program or software, you have to update that as well. But that literally is click click, leave it, done. And then you have to just check your site, make sure nothing's like broken or went missing. And if everything's okay, you just leave it again and let it earn some money for you. Now, these aren't all sales to do with what's on your site. You get what's called a cookie, and that cookie will last for, I think it's 90 days on the WooZone affiliate app, but I don't know if it's just 30 days normally if you just send them through on a link. But basically anything they buy with your cookie is then transferred into profit. So over the whole time, you're talking I've probably made about £300, and there's currently £21 sitting there to be paid out. But like I said, I have no sites up and running. I've not been pushing any Amazon affiliate links, so we're not going to see anything here just now. Now that's going to change because I'm going to go do a refresh course of the course that I did before and set up some new sites, and make sure that you just get all the help you need with all the problems that are now current with the WooZone affiliate app, etc. Okay, so that's my earnings for this. Now, from this channel alone, obviously the channel hasn't had a video in 2 years, so if I look at my earnings for this, go to reports, we'll go to lifetime. You used to get a lifetime option in Amazon Associates, but I don't know what they've done with it, so I can only go back 2 years. As you can see here, it doesn't tell you the total. Page RPM. No, it doesn't tell you a total here, so we've got payments. You'll see that I've got 40 odd pound here to get paid out. Now the threshold for this one's £60, but like I said, I haven't posted anything in 2 years, and just as the channel, these videos have taken off, but obviously I didn't post any more, so the growth stopped. But that's going to change. It's going to change. I have another channel and I've been streaming a lot, so the time has been small. But I'm going to find the time to make at least a video a week for this channel, to help people with your Amazon affiliate sites, online marketing, how to set up your stream, how to set up videos, how to get good sound, all these kind of things. So that's good to look forward to. And then we'll revisit these in say 2 months' time. Yeah, 2 months' time we'll come back and we'll check this figure and this figure, and we'll see what we've done, and we'll see how much we can change it and how much we can grow, and how much you can make on Google. Well, from Google and from Amazon on YouTube. Now YouTube itself can be good, but we'll get into that in another video. Okay, well, thanks for watching, thanks for listening. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one, which is going to be very, very soon. Ta-ta for now.
Get some more.